aspiring data scientists. Welcome to my channel 5 Minutes of AI. And today I will be sharing you roadmap, data science roadmap under 5000. And yes, it is tried and tested, and I too have followed this roadmap. So whether you are a recent graduate, career changer, or simply somebody who's curious about this field of data science, this video is for you. So I will be sharing invaluable tips, resources, and personal anecdotes that will make your data science journey informative and easy. And I have used courses from Udemy to make this roadmap for data science. And also, I'm assuming these courses are in offer and are below 500. So there might be some doubt in your mind that lots of people are saying that Udemy courses are not good when compared to premium platforms like Upgrad, Simplilearn, or edX. To some extent, I too agree, but there are amazing courses in Udemy which are which are at par with these courses in Coursera or Simplilearn, or sometimes it is better than these courses. So you don't have to worry searching these courses. I have uh, created this roadmap using these kind of courses only. So let's start. So first course is Statistics for Data Science and Business Analysis. The course duration is 5 hours and it is a mandatory course. You should do this course. And I'm saying it why, because statistics enable you to interpret the results of the model, and almost all the model have a base on statistics somehow. So in every phase you will require this statistics, and this course is very short term, 5 hours, and it almost covers entire thing which is required by a data analyst and a data scientist. For programming language, I will suggest this course, the complete Python course, Learn Python by Doing, in 2023. Yes, it is a 35-hour course, but it is almost complete Python course for data science, I will say, because it covers entire topic like web scraping, automation using Selenium, and how database connectivity is done using Python, GUI, web app. A small part of data structures are also covered, and the best thing is the tutor uses PyCharm and Python console instead of this Jupyter notebook. So I know many of you will struggle in start to use PyCharm, but as you go on in your career, your coding effort will be drastically reduced if you use PyCharm rather than a Jupyter node. And when in the real environment, like when it is deployment is considered or pushing the code to Git and all, I think you will require ID like PyCharm or VS Code something. So for SQL, I will recommend you go through take this course, MySQL for Data Analytics and Business Intelligence. So SQL, why SQL is important? First of all, if you are planning to switch to some product company, definitely they will ask you SQL. Most of the product companies will test your SQL skills, so don't skip this SQL. And also it is a very powerful tool for data manipulation, retrieval, and management. So I will suggest, like, at least take this course. I'm not asking you to go deep dive, yeah, but know the basic SQL queries and all the properties. It will be very beneficial for you in the future. So for feature engineering, I will recommend you this course, Feature Engineering for Machine Learning. It's a 14.5-hour course, and when you will go through the content of this course, you will be amazed by the quality of the content and how this lady Soldad Gali will be explaining it to you. And she has implemented entire concept using Python, and so you can use it in your project too. So yeah, this is one of the best course I have saw in Udemy, frankly speaking. So next is feature selection. For feature selection, again I will recommend you this course, feature selection for machine learning. It is a 6-hour course, and they have taught a lot of feature engineering techniques using Python. So they have also implemented it using Python. And you all know that engineering help you to develop a simpler and more reliable models, and training time is also drastically reduced. So is the dimensionality of the data along with the training cost. For ML, I will recommend you this course. So this is one of the two famous course in the Udemy. Other one is from the Jose Portilla. I didn't choose that course because it was not updated since 2021. This course is updated last on August 2023. And also this course almost cover models of regression and classification along with reinforcement learning and other methods which are used in ML. So under machine learning umbrella, you will get entire models covered in this course, and they will teach you on Spider ID, again not on Jupyter Notebook. So for deep learning there are two paths. One is using TensorFlow, other is using PyTorch. So the first course is for TensorFlow, which is like 63.5 hours, and this course not just help you to touch the entire core concepts of deep learning along with NLP and all, but also it will help you to pass the TensorFlow developer certificate. So I have followed TensorFlow path. So if you want to follow the PyTorch path, the courses are deep learning, understanding of deep learning, a deep understanding of deep learning with Python, and it is also 57.5-hour course. So it's on you if you want to go with TensorFlow or PyTorch. Both courses are amazing. So these are some optional courses. I kept it optional and I'm not making it mandatory because these courses are also very important, I will say. And if you have some time left, like after completing the mandatory courses, please go through these courses too. So this is the roadmap summary in terms of time, and in terms of cost, I will say that it won't go above 3,500 to 4,000, considering the courses are in offer and are below 500. And also in terms of time, I have divided into three. First, like time you take to go through the course material, then time you take to practice, and then time you take to revise the entire thing. So it will add up to 390 hours, and I'm rounding it to 400 hours. So total month, if you're very fast, somebody who have time and who are very dedicated and are like studying 5 hours daily on average, then you can complete this entire roadmap in 3 months. But you are working and you don't have much time, so you can choose like from 4 to 5 or 6 months. It depends on you. But try to complete this roadmap within 6 months. So I've been talking about the pros of my roadmap. So there are two cons also, negative points, which I want to discuss. First of all, unlike these premium institutes like Upgrade and all, you won't be having some instructor-led classes. All are pre-recorded videos. You will be progressing as per your speed. And second, there is no placement assistance or placements guarantee thing, which these institutes provide you. But with my experience and with lots of students I have been interviewing and asked them, most of the students who are freshers and are non-IT background, they don't get jobs from these premium institutes. Only those students who have some experience, like 2-3 years of experience, are able to get job. So if you're fresher or you're somebody who are non-IT, I think this roadmap is best for you. And so in the second part of this video, I will try to explore some projects which I've been doing recently, and also and POCs which I have done and delivered and to the clients. I will discuss these kinds of projects with you. So please stay tuned with me and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell button for my next video, and please like and share my videos.